A very good morning, class. Hope you have done your homework and understood whatever taught yesterday. So, let's begin. Any queries from yesterday's question part of homework? Any queries from yesterday's part of homework?
No, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Any? So, can I move ahead with the topic?
Ma'am.
Have you received your exam timetable? Have you received your exam timetable?
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So start preparing it. We are having very few days and we are left with very more time. So we have to hurry up. Okay? Right? So you have to do it on time so that we just complete the papers also. Start the today's class. So I will be continuing with the topic exercise 6.2, that is based on exponents. So let's see another type of question. But today, you know already the laws. Today, I will be just asking you and let's see how much you respond. Okay, first type of question is, you have to express the product of prime factors only in exponential form. Means you have to find out the prime factors of the terms given to you and then you have to find it in the exponential form. So let's see what's the question given to us. Okay, the question is 64 multiplied by 243. So, first of all, you take out the prime factor of 64. Can anyone tell me what is the prime factor? What are the series of prime factors of 64? Come on, find out fast. I hope you all of you have opened your registers. Start doing. Okay, who
Ma'am,
will give
2
the answer?
into.
Huh? Who is giving?
Ma'am Ishita.
Okay, give.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Ma'am, 6
Is how
times
many
2.
times 2 you are writing?
Ma'am, 6.
Okay, let's see. Are you right or not? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Let's see. Now, who will find the prime factor of 243? Who will find the prime factors of 243? Prime factors of 243.
Ma'am, 5 times 3.
Any other one? Any other person?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 5 times 3.
Ma'am, 2 into 2 into 3.
2 into 2 into 3. Okay. One more. One answer I received is 5 times 3. Other one said 2 into 2 into 3. Any other answer? Go on, try. You know you have to give your paper also online now within time. You should try it. This is a type of a practice session only. You have to just find out the prime factors. Okay, time's up. So let's see who said the correct answer. Yes, it's 5 times 3. So who said it correctly?
Ma'am.
Who said the correct answer?
Ma'am, me and Ishita.
Okay, let's move ahead now. Now what we will do, we will take this equation and replace these values. So our basic question was 64 multiplied by 243. Now we will substitute this value in place of 64 and this value in place of 243. Understood? Now we will count, we will see as they are all in the form of product. So we will use the product law. And what's the product law? What's the product law or multiplication law? Very bad, huh? We will come, see, the base of 2 is same, so though all the powers of 2 will be added. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That was 6 times. 2 to the power 6. And here 3 was 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got our answer 2 to the power 6 multiplied by 3 to the power 5. Any confusion? Any confusion? Are you there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. So, in this type of questions, you will first find the prime factors and then substitute the value in the given question. Understood the method? Okay, let's move to another type of question in your book. Okay, this type of question also we have done yesterday. Right or wrong? We have done now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So today you will try. Let's see how much you can do it. So what will be the first step? See which numbers are not in the lowest form. Can you tell me which is the LHS in its lowest form? Is the LHS in its lowest form?
No, ma'am.
And is the RHS? Huh?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
So first step will be what? First step will be we will convert the LHS side into its lowest form and RHS side into its lowest form. What is the lowest form or the exponential form of 16? Come on, find it out fast. What's the?
Ma'am, 2 raised to the power 4.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Loudly.
2 raised to the power.
Loudly, huh? 2?
Ma'am, 2 raised to the power 4.
2 to the power 4. And what's the exponential form of 32?
Ma'am, 2 to the power 5.
Very good. 2 to the power 5. A new voice. Who answered? Please tell your name.
Ma'am, Ansh.
Ma'am,
Ansh. Okay. Beta Ansh, have you answered or anyone else have answered? Because the voice was different.
yes, ma'am. मैम हम नहीं किया था
Huh?
मैं मंच नहीं किया था मैम मैंने
Huh. Okay, you have answered. Ansh Pathak. Okay. Now, let's see. Is the answer correct or not? Very good. Both of you, whoever answered, Ansh, very good. And whoever answered 2 to the power 4 is okay. Now, what we will do? What will be the next step? What will be our next step? Come on, you did it yesterday. What will be our, and you have done your homework also, you are telling me. That means you know. What will be our next step? Come on, try. Okay, let me give you. What is the operator between, the base is same, and what is the operator given? The base is same and what operator is given? Class?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Base is same and multiplication sign. So which law is to be used? Now I have given you a hint. Try it. Base is same and multiplication operator is given. So which law to be used? Yesterday also we have done this. So what will be the answer?
Multiplying powers with the same base.
So what will be the answer? Try now. I'm showing you the expression again. What will be the answer? Who is giving? Who was giving? Come on, try. Such a enthusiastic class is mine. And why are you not answering? Or should I give you? I have given the hint also. Anyone is trying? Who is trying? Let me see. I'm again showing you the question. Okay. What will be the answer? Okay,
Ma'am,
let me
0.
see. 0. No, I'm not asking for the final answer. What will be the next step here?
Ma'am, 2 raised to power 4 plus x plus 1.
Right. So it will be 2 raised to the power 4 plus x plus 5. Remember, students, this time your paper is not objective. This time your paper is subjective. You will be as I've taught you in the Google Meet, you will be getting your paper on the WhatsApp and you will be attempting it and the papers will be sent and checked. So don't think this time you will escape. You have, and I will be monitoring you through the Skype or Google Meet. So this time no escaping technique. So please do steps. Those who are good in maths, please do steps, don't write direct answers. Okay? That's why I'm making the slides also in the form of detail so that you can understand what are the steps to write in a question and how you can you shorten your questions also. Means in less time how can you write? Okay? And also one more thing, you have to write your answers in the whatever page you will use, you will write your answers with the help of an HB pencil. So start practicing your writing technique with the pencils, okay? And use HB pencils only, right? And
किराया भी ज्यादा पैसा लड़की शादी के लिए कहाँ से करोगे? फिर या तो फिर बाद में बेचोगे भाई तो चीज बाद में बेच.
who is speaking? May I know? Who is speaking? Who is speaking? Should I know? So, what will be the next step? It will be, have you solved it? So what will be your next step? Come on, answer. We will add the powers. So it will be 2x to the power 4 plus 1. That will give you 5. Now, what is the statement we have to write here? What is the statement we have to write here? Yesterday, we have written a statement. What is the statement we have to write here? What's the statement you have to write here?
Ma'am, since the base of all exponential values are equal on LHS and RHS, the powers can be equated.
Right. Good. So, this is the statement. Without this statement, we cannot prove the next line. So, this statement proves the next line. So, we will write x plus 5 is equal to 5. And one person have given me the answer. That was x equals to 0. Understood? Clear? Any confusion?
Yes,
If any, those who have joined just now, please note down the question. Those who have joined me just now, please note down the question. Noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move ahead?
Yes.
Okay. Now, let's see the next one. Oh, that's a good one. Expanded form. Right? From the childhood you are doing. Writing the questions in the expanded form. Right? But in this type, other slightly differences there. You have to not only write in the expanded form, but you have to convert the expanded form into exponential form also. So let's see how to do it. Okay. So the number is 90857623. Right? Copy the number. अच्छा, copied? 90.
Yes, ma'am, copied.
Now you know the right to write the numbers in expanded form. Please write the numbers in expanded form first. Expanded form. Since childhood you are doing. Expanded form. Since childhood, beta, class 5, 4, 3, 2, every teacher has taught you to write the numbers in expanded form. So please write the numbers in expanded form. And then one person tell me. Anyone can tell me. Amna is not studying at all. She is just taking his time. Come on. The students have not started
Actually, when
studying. Huh? Expanded form. Come on. Mojib muted Amna.
Ma'am, I'm trying to say something.
Right.
Ma'am,
And where is
As-
Meg? Meg is sleeping. Today Meg is sleeping. And rest
No,
have
ma'am, just something.
yesterday Joshita was active. Where's Joshita? She's also sleeping.
Ma'am, will it be 9 crore plus 0 plus 8
Huh?
lakh plus
Break it into 10 to
50,000?
power 10. Break it into 10. Means 9 into. Write it like that. Standard form is written in that form. 9 into this time. Understood? 9 into 10. How many zeros? You can tell me. Break the number into that form. I'm not asking you for the table form. I'm asking you for the expanded form. And expanded form is written into this space broken manner, that is 9 into, then plus 0 into, then 8 into. Understood? So Joshita,
Okay, ma'am.
just one more
Ma'am.
step.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
9 into
9
1
into-
crore.
Who is giving? Okay, let me. 9 into 1 crore means how many zeros? Count the number of zeros.
7 0.
7
Ma'am,
zeros.
7.
Okay.
Ma'am, 7 zeros.
Then the
Ma'am,
number is in
plus
front of
0 in
0 into. Go on fast. You are
10
right.
lakh
Good. Then
plus
fast.
plus 8 into 1 lakh
8 into ma'am lakhs. Ma'am, 1
Good.
lakh, ma'am, 8 into.
Then come on, complete the values.
plus 5 into
Ma'am,
10,000
plus
Then next complete it.
plus
Fast.
Ma'am,
Plus
7
7
into
into
1,000.
1,000 and 6
Good.
into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into
Ma'am,
1.
2 into 3. Ma'am, 3 into
Let me
1.
see. Are you correct or not? Check. See. How many zeros? 7. That is 9 into 1 crore plus 0 into how many? 6 zeros. That is 10 lakh. Then 8 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000, 7 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Now what we will do? We will count the number of zeros and write the number in the form of raised to the power. So what will the change? You just count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry.
Ma'am, 7.
7,
Ma'am,
right.
7.
I've counted one less, right? 7. So 10 to the power 7 plus 0 into 10 to the power 6 plus 8 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 10 into 10 to the 6 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 1 plus, see, 1 will be replaced by 3 into 10 to the power 0. Any confusion? Any
ma'am.
confusion?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Expanded form and exponentials? Understood the expanded form and exponentials? You just
Yes,
write
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
the number of zeros in the form of power in case of 10. Clear? In case of 10, we just write the number of powers in the form of in the top of 10. Now let's see one more. Oh, this is the one which I love to have. See, this is the question, and yesterday we have done, right? So you can see minus 3 by 5, 9 by 25, minus 18 by 125. So basically the number, all the numbers are having its lowest form as minus 3 by 5. Can you see? But 9 is a number. Remember, minus 3 into minus 3 is also gives us 9, and plus 3 into plus 3 also gives us 9. So we can convert minus, we will use here minus 3 because we can see all the rest of the numbers are in the minus form. Another hint you can see, minus 18 by 125 can be solved in the first step only because the power is 0. So our question will turn. So what will happen? This set I have copied as it is, minus 3 upon 5 whole to the power 3. 9 has been substituted by minus 3 whole square, and 25 is substituted by 5 whole square, and that 2 is within a square bracket of square, multiplied by minus 18 by 125 is replaced to the power 0 is replaced by 1. In the denominator case, see 27. 27, if we multiply minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, that is 3 times minus 3, we will get minus 27. And if we multiply 5 3 times, 5 into 5 into 5, we will get 125. So minus 3 to the power 3 is divided by 5 to the power 3 and rest copied. Clear? Any problem? Any confusion in this step? Class, any confusion in this step? Yes or no, please? Any confusion in this step?
No,
yes?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
So let me move ahead. Now, what we will do, we will, here the number is copied, here the number is arranged. So minus 3 to the power 5. We have used when the power is same but the base is different, the number, see that law we have used, common, the power becomes common. So minus 3 upon 5 to whole square, whole to the power is to the power 2 into 1 upon minus 3 by 5 whole to the power 3 into minus 3 by 5. Then here I will use power of power. So see, minus 3 by 5 whole to the power 3 into minus 3 by 5, 2 multiplied by 2, 4 into 1 copy, minus 3 by 5 whole to the power 4. Since you can see all the numbers are in the multiplication form in the numerator and the numbers in the denominator. See 4 we have got 3, see minus 3 by 5 upon minus 3 by 5. And 3, the powers were, the base was same, the powers got added. 3 plus 1, 4. Understood the denominator? Now, you can see we are having, you can see here, I will written minus 3 by 4 whole to the power 4 and minus 3 by 5 whole to the 4 upon minus 3 by 5 whole to the 4 can be cancelled by each other because all the numbers in the numerator are in the multiplication, and so we are left with minus 3 upon 5 into 3 into 1. Any number multiplied by minus 3 upon 5 into 3 will give us, that's number same, distribute it. Now on opening the bracket, what will get? Minus 3 upon 125. On opening the bracket, we will write down, I hope you cannot see it. So write down, I am telling it, minus 27 upon 125. Minus 27 upon 125. Noted? Please note down the solution fast. Note down the solution. Any confusion in any of the steps?
Mom, how you got that 4?
Where? Here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, in the denominator, if you see minus 3 by 5 to the power 3 multiplied by minus 3 by 5 and nothing is there, that means 1. If nothing is there, that means 1. So,
Yes.
3 plus 1 is 4.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any other confusion? Can I move ahead? Copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
that's all for today. Now, copy the homework. Copy down the homework. Press 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. The questions which are given in homework are in your course and which are not in your course are not being given to you. Understood? The questions which are being given to you are in the homework except the portion which we last thing, check a box which you do by yourself is that you have to do out at your own. But in the exercises, the questions which we are dealing or giving in the form of homework is in your course. Understood? So 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Done? Copied the
Yes,
homework?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion for today?
No, ma'am.
Then,
No, ma'am.
then have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Mehak,
Ma'am, in unit test also when the chapter
Mehak,
in
stop the recording.
teachers came.
Wait, I cannot hear you. Mehak, stop the recording.